Hi, I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf. Welcome to What's in My Toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. And in this instalment we have this LED work light. It's actually a set of two. Let me grab the other one. And here's the other one. Get two of these LED work lights. They're pretty useful lights. Got lots of range of motion and flexibility. They are USB rechargeable, so I've got a little USB port just down here under this black cover. Just pull it out. Down there, just a little thing. It does come with two leads as well. It's a standard USB, like the small type. It's got 5 different modes. I'll show you them all in action in just a moment. Yeah, like I said, it's very flexible. You can have it literally from this position, or any position in between this, all the way over to like this. I actually use this position quite handy because it's got a magnetic base and also a hook as well for hanging. So you can hang them over and have the light facing in any direction you want. So like that, for instance. Incidentally, I've got a new lighting set up for the channel. Let me know what you think about that too. And yeah, I'll show you the light mode in just a second when I turn off the light and get set up for it. So as I said, it's got 5 light modes. You can't actually see me anything at the moment, so let me turn it on. So this is the first full brightness light mode. And then you have a second light mode which is a slightly less bright one. And then you have a pointing one. So if I turn this on, you see it's got a little torch pointer on the end. Let me see it on the camera. So I have a bit of glare, but that is the front light. And then you turn it off. It also has a red mode. If you hold the switch down, it will go red, as you can see. And then it's also got a flashing red mode. So I won't run for long due to people with epilepsy and that watching these videos. So as I mentioned, it comes with this USB cable. And charging times around 3 to 5 hours I've found. And normally get to about 4 to 5 hours roughly of actual light footage, light use out of it. Especially you get a bit more if it's on the dimmer of the two modes. But I'll pop a bit of footage of me using this in an upcoming video in just a moment. Another really handy feature of these is they come with these lovely wrist straps so you can't drop them. They're also fairly lightweight, which is quite good. So here's just a bit of footage of me taking advantage of the magnetic base to use the light and the flexibility. Just move it around, plop it down so it can't fall over. It adds a bit more light to the area where you're trying to work. Really handy, especially if you're underneath cars or in the boot like I'm in this particular instance. So my final thoughts on these lights. They're fairly handy, quite good. They feel quite robust. They're not the brightest out there. They are pretty good, and that's why I'm going to give this a 3-spanner rating. Those of you who haven't seen, I have started a rating system on the channel. So these are getting 3, which is a good rating. And yeah, so 3 out of 5, not bad. I really have enjoyed using them so far. I'll probably end up keeping one in the car and one in the toolbox. And yeah, see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week. So if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.